Frequency of vulnerability scans. Organizations employ various approaches to the frequency of vulnerability scans, including change-based, hygiene-based, compliance-based, and emerging threat-based. This helps to establish a systematic and proactive schedule for assessing and mitigating security vulnerabilities, thereby minimizing the potential impact of cyber threats and maintaining a strong defense. The first strategy mentioned is change-based scanning, which is suitable for organizations that frequently deploy code or infrastructure changes. It is recommended to run vulnerability scans after each change to detect any configuration mistakes or introduction of vulnerabilities. This approach is the most effective for rapidly changing assets like web applications and cloud infrastructure exposed to the public internet. The second strategy is hygiene-based scanning, which emphasizes regular scanning of systems even if no changes are made. This is important because new vulnerabilities are constantly discovered, and attackers quickly exploit them. Weekly or daily scans may be necessary for organizations with high sensitivity to cybersecurity. For web applications, it is recommended to conduct regular authenticated scanning of framework and infrastructure components that can focus on code mistakes. Compliance vulnerability scans are used to audit security for compliance purposes. For example, PCI certification mandates firms to meet certain criteria, such as not being susceptible to specific vulnerabilities. Vulnerability scans can be used by organizations to audit their security and ensure compliance. The final strategy discussed is emerging threat-based scanning. This strategy addresses the gaps between vulnerability scans and the discovery of new vulnerabilities. Some vulnerability scanners store information from previous scans and notify users if that information becomes relevant to newly discovered vulnerabilities. This helps organizations stay updated on emerging threats even during periods without active scanning. By considering these strategies and their applicability to specific scenarios, organizations can enhance their vulnerability scanning practices and strengthen their overall cybersecurity posture.